Hello again, this is your cameraman Dana for another update at that garage, and I see like another vid parked over there, and still today is March 8, 2023, and it's about right now approximately 4:46 p.m. It's almost near 5 o'clock, and right now I think they're actually chatting with someone. I don't know what it is, but I just came back inside about 10 minutes ago. Well, there you have it, folks. A little short update about that place across the street at the garage. And, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And please comment or subscribe to ring the bell if you like this video or previous videos. We'll see you again next time when I give you more updates. Until then, your cameraman, Dan Drusky, saying thanks for sticking around. And looks like they're leaving right now. Yep. They're actually closing it up for a day. Yep. He's packing his stuff in. Yep. Looks like it's no aftermath. He only did that when it's outside around the place. I couldn't even go in there. He's closing it up. He's coming out. The worker. Tomorrow's going to be 57. And I know tomorrow night might get colder too, as compared to tonight. We might get to like little snow showers and such. He's leaving. Yep. He's about to pull away. So it's like at the end of the movie, when people drives away on the sunset. Yep. Later, folks. I'll see you next time for more updates. And watch my videos. Bye.